yes YouTube, and welcome to another video and thanks for joining me. So in today's video we finally got this tank moved into its place. It does need leveling out a little bit, but I'll do that later. I'm going to add the electrics on, so the heating or the lighting, and we're going to finally add Bert into his new enclosure. As well as we've got a new setup to build in today's video as well as get some updates around this room. So that's something interesting to you, then don't go anywhere, make sure you stay tuned, and that's all coming up right after this. Okay, so all electrics are on, heating set up, lighting's all set up. We added the new Arcadia LED strip, which we covered in the last video. So I'm really happy with that. Now it's in place, so a couple of little things I need to do, but the main thing, let's get Bert into his tank. What do you think of your new home, Bert? He's just settling in for now, so we'll leave him settle in now, close the door on him. He's had to water down, so he's got plenty to drink, so we'll try and let him calm and find his feet, and we'll come back and check it out. But we've got to tidy this room a little bit because we've got a Viv to build. Let's crack on. What an absolute nightmare. finally finished building the Viv and found out there's a broken trim. So this is to hold the top piece of glass in. So I've contacted the company who've already emailed me back to say they'll send a replacement, so hopefully that'll be resolved very soon. But really annoying, managed to build a whole Viv and then find out the last piece we needed was broken. But I suppose these things happen. So when we crack on now, do some maintenance on Castro's tank, get some new plants in there, and we'll generally take a look over here and just try and relax. Come on, let's go. Okay, so Bert's been in for a couple of hours. He seems to have settled in nicely. Haven't you, mate? Yeah. But he seems to be happy in there. He first of all started exploring the top part and then moved down and just sort of looks like he's thermoregulating. So we've given him some food, he's eating fine, and so he's hopefully he's enjoying it. Do you like it? So it's been a busy day. So we've got some good things done. So we managed to move Bert's tank into his final position now and obviously add him in, and he's doing really well. He seems to be enjoying it. And he's obviously been eating and acting normally, so that's a great sign. So I'm hoping now he'll continue. There are a few things now I want to change about him now he's in there. Now I do want to add some vines and things, and just an extra space for him to climb on. So we'll do that in the next couple of days. And as always, I'll be doing videos around this sort of thing. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, disappointing that we couldn't get the ball python vivarium finished just because of the broken part, but Yeah, it set us back a little bit, but not too much. Obviously, the snake's on his way. We don't have a temporary setup, but I just wanted to measure this out for the acrylic sheets in there because I'm going to do it the same as I've done with Bert's tank and Castro's tank behind me. We line it completely with acrylic sheets to make it waterproof, and then obviously expanding foam backgrounds and all the rest of it, which you guys know how that goes. So set us back a couple of days, but the company have got in touch with me and said they're going to try and source a replacement part. If not, there may need to be a new vivarium. So I was going to measure up and order the plastic anyway, but I don't know if I'm going to actually keep this viv, so I don't want to waste any money on that. But Castro's tank's looking a little bit nicer. We still have some plants left from Bert's build, so it's nice we managed to use those. Really excited to see how the cheese plant actually works out. It's more of a vine type than the regular cheese plants, but something a bit different to me I haven't used before. So she's doing really well. She's been growing and growing. She's starting to get a little bit tamer, but I don't think I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to handle it regularly, but I just want to make sure if I need to take her out, that we can do that. But there's still plenty of exciting things to come. We've got the ADA 30C to set up, and I'll be doing that in the next couple of videos just because I managed to acquire a stand now. We've already got the tank, filtration, the lighting. I've just ordered the CO2 system for it as well. Now I just need to work out what sort of scape we're going to do, so we can order any rocks or landscaping wood if we need it. But we may have what I need already here, but I don't know what sort of scape is going to go for. I'm thinking of a cornice sort of scape, maybe some wood sticking out and some rocks and that sort of thing. Don't know whether we're going to go fully carpeted or we're going to have a sand substrate, but if you've got any suggestions, and make sure you let me know in the comment section below. But I am just waiting for the courier company to get back to me at the end of this month when they have their full list together to let me know when the ball python is going to be arriving. So that'll be really exciting. As well as future setups to come, we still got to add a tank into the front of the fireplace, which I'm really excited about, as well as probably looking at another arboreal terrarium similar to this. So if you don't want to miss out on any of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. As well, if you can drop me that thumbs up and leave me a comment to show YouTube you're enjoying this sort of content and allows me to make more videos like these. But I think that's enough of me waffling on for one day. Make sure you check out the next video, don't miss out, and I'll see you in the next one.